Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Quillbot account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Quillbot account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address quillbot.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Quillbot like this. Guys, you can also continue to use the Quillbot without logging into your account or signing up. You can see directly from over here. But to log into your Quillbot account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the profile or the person icon available over here. Simply click on this button where I'm hovering right now at the top right corner of the screen and click over there. And when this appears, guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password with which you have signed up for a Quillbot account like this. Guys, you can also log into your Quillbot account with your Google or your Facebook account. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to sign into your Google or Facebook account will open, and if you log into your respective accounts, you'll be signing into your Quillbot with these accounts. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email and your password, but if you have forgotten your password, guys, you can simply reset it from over here. If you click on this button where it says the reset password, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve the account's password. And with that being said, guys, enter your email and your password and simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Quillbot account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.